Okay, my friends, so when you access the SR Pro Forex dashboard today, you will also get included in your members area will be the MacD Divergence dashboard. Okay, this is a unique indicator that you can use in conjunction with the SR Pro dashboard to laser pinpoint, perfect trading opportunities to bag more pips. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this indicator works. MacD divergence is a big signal that a lot of traders look at, and especially at key levels that the SR Pro Forex dashboard alerts you and shows you too. Okay, so how it works, it simply gives you signals when a certain divergence is happening on a certain asset at a certain time frame. Okay, the C stands for classic and the H stands for hidden. Okay, the difference between a classic and hidden divergence is a classic divergence happens at the end of a trend for a trend reversal trade, and H divergence, hidden divergence, is a trend continuation divergence. So whatever type of trader you are, trend trader or reversal trader, the dashboard will have a signal for you. Okay, so how it works is simply the indicator settings inside. Okay, the symbol area, you put all your symbols in there that you want to look at. It has the unique template feature similar to the SR Pro dashboard, where you just enter your template in there. You can actually choose the divergence type you want the dashboard to show you, classic or hidden, or if you just want hidden, you just select hidden. If you just want classic, you just select classic. Okay, you can choose the time frames you want to see divergence signals on. So if you're trading intraday, you only want to be looking for signals on the lower time frames, matching with the daily levels. If you're trading the higher time frames, the weekly SR levels, you want to be looking at daily and 4-hour signals, and higher than that, you want to be looking at the weekly and monthly. So very, very powerful dashboard. It's yours absolutely free when you access the SR Pro dashboard today. You can see you can use it in conjunction with dashboard. Okay, I just got a signal there a minute ago off the dashboard on the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, which was given signals a few minutes ago. The signals have now happened. You can see a 15-minute divergence on the Euro Swiss franc. We were at a key level, intraday level. That was a nice trade. And if you're in my signal group, you would have received that trade today to buy this signal. Okay, 3 divergences happened on 3 different time frames for a nice intraday trade. Okay, and they just disappeared a few minutes ago. That was on the, and if you look back to the start of the video, you would have seen the 2 signals happening on that. The divergence signal stays on the chart for 2 candles, and then it will disappear, and the next set of divergence signals will appear on the dashboard. It's a very, very powerful dashboard. Very, very powerful when you are using in conjunction with the SR Pro dashboard. And again, it's yours absolutely free when you access the dashboard today. Okay, so